What's up, YouTubers? Jonny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to test your battery on your car. If you guys are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. I do a lot of these automotive and household projects. So, say your battery's dying, or it's dead all the way. It won't start, or it's having a trouble starting, it's very weak. You're going to want to pick up one of these. This is just a voltmeter. You can get this at Harbor Freight or anywhere. Harbor Freight's the best deal. Sometimes you can even get it for free. But you're just going to go ahead and put your leads like this, red and then black on the bottom ones. Then you're going to flip it on and make sure the dial's set to above 12 volts. On this one it's 20, but either way it could be anything above 12. You're going to want to measure because the max on a car should be around 14. But you're going to take your black lead and you're going to stick it right here on the negative side of your battery, and you're going to stick the red one over here on the positive, and then we're going to read the voltage. So the voltage right now is reading 12.18, 12.17, which is good. That's what it should be when it's just resting. But that's not all. You need to test the battery when it's under load, when it's starting. So we're going to leave this in and we're going to start the car, and this shouldn't drop below around 10 volts. If it drops too low, that means your battery is getting too weak and it's probably dying. Alright, and if you don't have one of these, actually AutoZone will do this load test for free, and it'll check your battery to make sure it's not the alternator too. So that's worth a try if you don't have any tools or anything like that. Alright, let's do that load test. Alright, that's good. Alright, so as you can see, the voltage went up to around 14, and that's what it should be running at while the engine's on. But it did dip down right around 9.7 it looked like, but that's okay. As long as it's right around 10, it should be good. But this battery is a few years old, so it's probably getting to the end of its life, so I'm not sure if it'll end up making it through the winter. The winter is going to be the toughest time on your battery because it's a lot harder to start when the battery's cold. That's when the most of the usage gets used up on a battery. Alright, so we'll turn this off and take these out. Looks like the battery is still good, but like I said, if you don't have the tools, go ahead and check out AutoZone. But if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my other videos. Consider subscribing. I do a lot of these automotive projects. But thanks for watching Jonny DIY, guys. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care.